Hi, Toby Barnett with the Barnett Associates team for another Home Maintenance Minute. Today, what I'm doing is taking care of the dryer vent. So we've been in the house 4 years, and I think with 4 people living in the house, and it's about time I figured, I might as well get it cleaned and see how much debris does come out, as well as show you guys how long it does take, which, according to everything else, should only be about a minute. So I'm gonna go ahead. I already have uh, the dryer vent cleaning kit tool and attached to a drill, and I've already got the cover off the dryer vent itself with that it's already coming out. So to this tip, and so I'm just going to run it up in there, and I have quite a bit of length on the, because my dryer's up in the kind of the middle of the house, as probably most people's kind of are, unless they're on an exterior wall. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and fire this thing up and see how much lint comes out of the little dryer vent. Yummy. So next, I'm gonna go in and turn the dryer on, and then run it through a couple more times and see how much actually blows out of here. So one of the kids went up there, so hopefully we'll see this in a second. Whoa! Yeah. You know, not too bad. I think I'm at a total of 5 minutes, 6 minutes of this video. So it's running right now, and you can see it's nice and clean. You know, a little bit of stuff did come out at the end, but not too worried about it. You know, thanks for tuning in, because, you know, doing a little bit of preventive maintenance can save a lot of pain in the future. I probably said that before. And also reducing a fire hazard within your house. And then there's also, if you've moved into a house and never had it cleaned, your neighbor, the old owner's stuff still in there. So you may want to get that out, clean it out. Make your dryer will work easier. You'll have less of a fire hazard, and your house will be better maintained and cleaner over the long run. So thanks again for tuning into this Home Maintenance Minute, and see you on the next one.